I'm Deathlake. In this video, we'll be trying out this candy kit. Ooh, nice. Like a mold. I'm going to reuse this mold for various things, possibly. So I'm guessing it's I shall be keeping this mold and reusing it for other reasons. Oh, the overflow. So I made some more molds out of the candy. So different colours. You can see that it's spread over. As you can see, just a little bit spread over. And this green thing, I'm not too sure. Let's see what the yellow tastes like. No idea what that tastes like. This tastes like sugar. This pink bit. They all taste different, but I have no idea. I can't quite grasp. They smell different. They smell really fragrant. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page for more content.